Hi friends, welcome to Little One's First Step. Today we are going to see the DIY worksheets for 3 to 4 years old. Due to COVID-19, our kids could not go to school, so I prepared these worksheets for my daughter. Hope it gives some ideas to others too. And one main thing is don't force kids to do these until they are interested. Let them enjoy and play on their own. So let's get started. Today I have covered some preschool topics like alphabets, numbers, countings, finding the odd ones out. So let's see one by one. This worksheet is about an alphabet matching, that is to make kids recognize both the upper and the lowercase letters. So instead of giving only letters, I have drawn an image of a flower, so that my daughter usually loves to do that. So here I have given uppercase of the letter inside of the flower, and in each petal I have written the lowercase letter. So this is used to just color the corresponding lowercase letter to that of the uppercase letter. This worksheet is like to recognize the lowercase letters. That is, kids they find it difficult to recognize some of the lowercase letters like B, D, N and U, because they look like a mirror image of each other. So here I have drawn a Dinosaurus image and have written the lowercase letters like B and D. This is to find the letter D. So wherever they find the letter D, they just need to circle it. This makes them to easily identify and recognize the letters. This activity is a coloring activity, that is just have given some shapes like a triangle, circle and square, and I have given a color for each of the shapes. So kids now need to identify what is the shape, and they have to color it by looking at the above image. For this, like I have given for square, I have given a purple color, so they need to color the square with a purple, and they need to color the circle using green. This worksheet is like an order knot, finding the different image from the rest of the above. So they need to just look at each of the pattern, and they need to find out which one is different from all of the above. So here I have given some patterns, like here I have given some arrows, like all are upwards and one is a downward, so they need to circle which is a downward one. So there are similar patterns, like I have given some letters also, and I have given some color coding concepts also. Like here all of the patterns follows with green, then followed by orange. Only one was followed with orange and green. So this looks order knot from rest of the above. This is a math activity, that is like counting the number and coloring it. Here I have given some random numbers, so and I have given a caterpillar image for each of those. So based on the number, they should count each of the circle, like for given 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Say they should color 4 circles in that. So this improves their counting and recognizing the numbers also. This worksheet is like a matching activity that is based on 2 colors. So here I have given some circles on the left hand side, and I also have the same images on the right hand side. They should match based on the 2 colors, like the upper portion of the circle as one color and the downside portion of the circle as another color. They should match the exact color in the opposite side, like the upper portion followed by green and the down followed by a purple. So they should match according to that. This activity is a size comparison activity, in which kid needs to find the smallest one from the rest of the above. So here we have the image which differs from one another with respect to the size. So they need to find the smallest one from rest of the above. They need to compare each of these images and to find the smallest one, and they should. This is a visual activity like a pattern matching, in which kids needs to find the exact pattern on the left hand side and match to the right hand side. These patterns usually appears to be same, but there are some differences, like the lines will be like horizontal and vertical. They need to figure out correctly, and they should match to the right hand side. This activity is like grid coloring. This is like finding the exact portions of the grid and coloring as per the image. So here I have given some images on the left hand side, and they have to copy the same image, like color the same grids right in the right hand side. So here in this I have colored the grids number 2 and have colored the grid number 8. So they need to exactly color the same grids in this image. So this is to find the exact position, and they need to color the grids. So here they need to color the grid on here, and they need to color grid in the middle. This worksheet is like finding the fruits. Here I have drawn an outline image of each of the fruit. The kid needs to able to recognize the fruit, and they need to color the fruit using some crayons. So they just need to identify this is an apple and they should color it with red color. Likewise, it goes for banana, pineapple, watermelon and pear. This makes them to easily recognize the fruits and the color of each of the fruit also. That's all for today. We'll see you again on next videos. Thanks for watching, and please give us a like, share and subscribe our channel for upcoming videos.